What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we're going to do a market structure update for Tesla. Looks like when I did my analysis on the prior Monday, price closed right at the 241 level. And I was expecting prices to completely fill in this gap right here and maybe even come down to this breakout point at the 214, 215 level. However, that did not occur. Obviously, things don't always occur exactly how you expected the market. Prices just dropped one time, one leg down, and then from there it stayed above the EMA and continued to rally up to the prior high. So now it looks like maybe we're going to be seeing some type of double top situation. Maybe not. Maybe now we'll probably see a bigger move down. We'll have to wait and see. But it's still likely that prices will probably go down instead of higher as right now. But either way, there's still no setup to go long or short. Me, personally, I would never go long right here if I was trading a chart like this. And I would never go short either because it's just as likely we can still go up. So there was no trade over here the way I do it. So you can see that prices made two legs up. So we had one leg up right here. A two-legged correction in between marks the center of the pattern, and you can see that prices met the measurement target, and we're still kind of trading around this level. So target was at the 267, and we're still trading around this level. Looks like we just had a double top. We could probably see maybe another move down lower because we did create a large gap just right now. Also, if I connect the swings, so I have to figure out, where price is going. So the tools I use is a channel or a range or the measure move target. So it looks like we already reached the target. And also, if I do a channel, if I connect the swings on the bottom and I drag it up, you can see that we're bouncing up right against the highs of this potential channel. So this tells me that we can still, continue lower because we're at the top of the channel. So this is acting as resistance, and we'll see if we fill in this gap and potentially even go down lower. So right now, that's what I'm expecting to occur. Most likely, that doesn't mean it's going to happen. Obviously, the prices could continue to trend up higher, but I think that's unlikely. Let's just say we do. Let's just say we don't go lower. Then the next target that's might be reached is this prior swing high at the 310. So that's where the triple top was. So it looks like prices might be targeting that 310 level. There's no doubt in my mind that Tesla will probably continue higher in the future. But as right now, it is looking still kind of bearish. And I'd be expecting a pullback or a drop before we go higher. But again, that's not guaranteed to happen. And if we do go higher, then the 310 level is the target. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily chart. Let's look at Tesla on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. We can see the overall structure, and we had this prior uptrend channel in play in the past. Prices broke the uptrend channel, tried to go up multiple times, failed. Then prices started going down in this downtrend. Show you guys that right now. And obviously the downtrend had an overshoot, which could lead to a bottom, or at the very least lead to a breakout on the opposite side. So that's what we got, breakout on the opposite side. So this is still looking like we can see, a move down. So let me go and mark this horizontal line. This $200 level is very important because it was acting as prior support and resistance. It looks like a level that likes to be tested multiple times from underneath and above. So you can see that last time prices broke outside this level, it pulled back right to it to test it for support. There was a double bottom, and then prices rally higher. So that's what I'm expecting to occur right here, especially because you can see how we're far away from the EMA, just like how we were far away from the EMA right over here. So I'm expecting maybe it's two legs down to this level, or at least, some two attempts down, for higher prices. So we don't have to come back down to the $200 level. We could just come back down to this channel right over here, something like that. And this is right around maybe the 220s, 230s. So we don't have to come back down to that level. But I'm just expecting a pullback. I don't think we're going to continue to the all-time highs, just from a straight line in this fashion right now. That's not how the market moves. So right now we're still expecting. I'm still expecting a pullback, and we'll go from there. But obviously, in the long term, we're probably going to hit the all-time highs and probably even exceed it, because most stocks will continue to trend, higher and higher as the company, produces more profits, whatnot. But obviously, there's a good chance this will probably still continue higher because the overall pattern is still up. All of this is just a correction for another push up higher. So let's just see, for fun, if we bottomed in here in January 2023, where would be the next target? Well, we can do a measure move target, one leg up, two legs up. The measure move target would be the $500 level. So again, that would be the target if we continue higher and higher from here. But you can see how long it'll take to get there. It'll take about next year summertime. Because if we moved at this angle, we can expect to move at the same angle again for the next impulse, and that would take prices right to the, again, like I said before, August of next year, so summertime. It could be later, sooner, but I doubt it. Usually this is pretty accurate for the time. So either way, that's if we bottom right over here in January 2023. But either way, this is looking like it. I'm just expecting, 2 attempts down because we broke outside of this orange downtrend channel. 2 attempts down would concrete that we have failed to go lower, and that will lead to higher prices. So I'm just expecting a pullback, shortly. But again, nothing's guaranteed in the market. If nothing sets up, then obviously, prices continue higher. It continues higher. But what's expected to occur, what I expect to occur is what's most likely going to occur. But again, there's still a lot of possibilities in the market. So that's all I have for Tesla this week, Monday, and maybe I'll give an update next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.